What if I told you that AI automations built in under an hour are making people over $5,000 a month with no coding, no team, and no expensive software? This is Neon Income AI, your go to source for automation income, AI workflows, and smart digital systems. And today I'm breaking down 5 real AI automations you can build and monetize right now in 2025. Let's start with one of the easiest wins, a lead capture automation. Using tools like Tally, Zapier, and Notion, you can create a smart intake form that filters high quality leads and drops them directly into an automated CRM or email funnel. This system is perfect for coaches, consultants, and freelancers who need a fast, AI powered way to qualify and follow up with potential clients. People are charging 100 to 300 for this setup alone, and it's fully scalable. If you're a creator or a small agency, this one prints money. Using ChatGPT, Airtable, and Zapier, you can take one long-form piece of content and automatically repurpose it into social media posts, carousel quotes, tweets, LinkedIn updates, and even email newsletters. Sell this as a recurring service for 250 to 500 a month per client, or use it to grow your own audience on autopilot. For service providers, this automation saves hours every week. With Typeform, ChatGPT, and Notion, you can build a system that welcomes clients, collects key info, sends a personalized email, and even generates a project brief. Think automated onboarding without the back and forth. This workflow turns one-time buyers into loyal clients and helps you stand out from the competition. Selling ebooks, templates, or digital products. Connect Gumroad or PayUp with Make.com and Google Drive to instantly deliver products, send branded thank you emails, and even upsell other items in your store. It's hands-off income at its finest. I use this exact setup on Neon Income AI to run our own digital product sales funnel, no tech skills needed. Want to earn passive affiliate income using AI? Build a system with ChatGPT and Buffer or FeedHive that posts scheduled tweets, listicles, product tips, and reviews with your affiliate links embedded. Add trending hashtags, use prompts that drive clicks, and automate your entire Twitter content plan. I've seen creators making over 1K/month just from automated content like this. These aren't just ideas, these are proven AI income automations that solopreneurs, content creators, and digital hustlers are using right now. With tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, Notion, and Make, the barrier to entry has never been lower. And at Neon Income AI, we're building smarter systems, not just working harder. Subscribe to the channel, download your free AI automation starter guide below, and drop a comment with the automation you're building first. We'll see you in the next video where we keep showing you how to earn more with less effort using the power of automation. So welcome to the future of digital income.
Welcome to Neon Income AI.